Michael Caine punches out a 29.1 for that car. Fastest lap of the race for that car, and jams it down the inside at turn 2. Uses some of the dirt on the inside to get it stopped, and David Wall has absolutely none of that and sweeps around in front and holds the spot. This is for the final spot on the podium. The end of the High-Tech Oil 6 hour, and David Wall struggling massively in a straight line and squeezes Michael Caine out to the white line. Will they dare to go side by side through the kink? No, they won't. Fight. Nigel Botley watching on. Contact. Broken front suspension for the number 8 car. They're both in the gravel trap. That's the day done for both. And that's the race. That'll be the safety car. Michael Caine is back on the road. He's got the car going again. Has he got damage or does he not? There's surely be a... No, Wall's out as well. There won't be a safety car. Given the fact that they're still going at it across the top of the mountain. 2 walking wounded race cars, and there is no way Michael Caine is going to let David Wall have an easy way through of getting past. Look at him put the block on, and Wall goes through. He's got the less busted up car. This is for 3rd place at the end of the High-Tech Oil 6 hour, and there's 9 minutes to go.